The sky turns red, sirens scream, and then boom! In an instant, civilization as we know it is gone. What happens next? Let's imagine. It was just another ordinary morning. People were heading to work, kids were playing in parks, and the world was busy as usual. But beneath the surface, tensions were rising between powerful nations. Then came the breaking news: a missile launch detected. Within minutes, the first explosion struck a major city. A blinding flash, a deafening roar. Millions turned to shadows before they even knew what hit them. Skyscrapers melted like wax. Shockwaves shattered everything in their path, and firestorms consumed entire regions. For those who survived the initial blast, the real horror was just beginning. Nuclear winter set in. Thick clouds of radioactive dust blocked out the sun, plunging the world into darkness. Temperatures dropped. Crops failed. Food and water became more valuable than gold. Radiation poisoned the land. Drinking water became toxic. Those who inhaled the fallout suffered slow, agonizing deaths. Only a few had access to underground bunkers, but supplies wouldn't last forever. With governments gone, a new world order emerged. Some survivors banded together to rebuild society, while others seized control through violence. Ruthless warlords claimed territories, enforcing their own twisted rules. Radiation wasn't just killing, it was changing people. Some survivors began showing strange mutations, heightened senses, resistance to sickness, or even terrifying deformities. Were they the next step in evolution, or doomed monstrosities? Years passed. The skies slowly cleared. In the ruins of a lost world, nature began to reclaim what humanity destroyed. Animals adapted, and small groups of survivors built new settlements. Maybe, just maybe, there was still a future. Could humanity rise again? Perhaps. The strongest, the smartest, and the luckiest might survive. But the scars of nuclear war would last for generations. And the question remains, could we ever learn from our mistakes? War, it only takes a single spark to ignite the end. Let's choose peace before it's too late.